பேசுறது நிதானமா தான் பேசுவாரு. சரியா தான் பேசியிருக்காரு. சின்னம்மா பத்தி சொன்னாங்க. அவருடைய கருத்தை சொல்லியிருக்காரு. நிதானமா சரியான கருத்தை
Oh. Wait, Này. Đi kia thôi.
माइक ऑफ से
सुड़ा बिजी आत्मा और थोड़ा सरकार को करना है तू कोई आंख नहीं
Hello everyone, very good evening. So, still few people are joining. So, can we wait for two minutes or 2 minutes? Yeah, and then we will start.
Hey. Oh.
Hi everyone. So, I'll not waste everybody's time. So, we should be punctual. So, I think 2 minutes wait is good enough. Okay, so let me start here today. First of all, very good evening. I'm Shwetank Upadhyay. Hi.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. So
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
thank you. So I'm Shwetank Upadhyay. I represent Million Lights. Okay. Today I'm here to clarify your doubts or any questions, and of course I'm going to explain you the complete program. Okay. First of all, today is very important day for us because today only our first batch, okay, of MCAP Java, their placement has started, and today itself many of them has already got the job offer from the DXC Technology, which is our recruitment partner. So this is something which is a proud moment for us also, and I hope that you will be much more now excited that how you can be the next selected person in the batch. Okay, so I'll start from basic things, okay, because many of you don't know what is or who is Million Light. Okay, so let me introduce first the company itself. Okay, so Million Light is basically a UK-based company, and we are into the talent manufacturing. When I say talent manufacturing, we are basically creating the talent for the companies where we got the job vacancy. So we don't do it randomly, that we are like a training institute who keeps on creating the trainees and all, and then they, it is trainees' responsibility, or sometimes training institute also helps them in the placement, which they typically call the placements assistant. We are not that. We create the talent only for the companies against their job vacancy. So first we get the job vacancy, then only we train the candidates. Okay, so that is a model which is very popular in other countries. So UK, we were already there. We are working in the UK with the companies like Entity Data, TCS UK. Okay, so these companies, we take the job opportunities like cloud engineering, data science, testing, maybe DevOps, n number of technologies, .NET. Okay, and then we train the candidates for those positions. Okay, in India we started recently, and we started directly with the DXC Technologies, which is a $13.6 million company now, I think. Okay, so this model, when we replicate it in India, there are a lot of corrections in the model which we have done. So today I will be taking you through all those changes. Okay, and we will be going through this. I can already see a lot of questions also. I'll come to the question. So once I have given the basic basic introduction of the program, then we will come to the question answer session. Yeah, so everybody's doubt will get clarified today. So on the global level, what we do is we create a batch of maybe like 5 weeks, 4 weeks, or sometimes 8 weeks also, depending on different technologies. And then these candidates get placed with our recruitment partner companies. Okay. Last 5 weeks, we were working on a batch, and that batch has already started the placement right from today. Many of them has already placed today. Okay, there will be more company participating in that. So we will be covering more on those things. Okay. So why MCAP Java? I request if everyone can mute himself, because it will be very clear for others also. Yeah. So why MCAP? Okay. See, this program is mainly for the freshers. Okay, freshers or students who have passed on or after 2018. Okay, and it is open for not only engineering but other graduates also who are having the programming proficiency. Okay, so why MCAP? Because you can directly also apply to the company. You can go through the campus recruitment drives also. Then why through Million Lights and MCAP only? See, the thing is, it is very critical in your career as a fresher. Which point do you start with? Which salary point which you start with? So, for example, if you start with 20,000 rupees a month, okay, it's like roughly around 2.4 lakhs rupees per annum, then what will happen every year? you will get 10% hike if you are in the same company, maybe 20% hike in the same company. If you switch the job, maybe 30, 40 or max 50% hike in the salary. Okay, so your starting point is which is the base point. Okay, percentage will be calculated on that. So if I increase your base point itself from 20,000, suppose I increase it to 30,000. Okay, instead of 2.4 lakhs, directly 4 lakhs. Okay, 3.6 to 4 lakhs. Then your percentage changes a lot. Is that percentage is remains same, but the amount changes a lot. So that is why it is very important from where do you start your career. Okay, that basically decide your future growth. Okay, otherwise it becomes very difficult to change the growth path later on. So that's why MCAP is basically all about. We change your starting point. If you do the job application from outside, okay, you will be considered as a fresher. But when you go through the MCAP program, Million Nets University program, then you are already means although you are a fresher, but you are already a trained product. So you are a trained candidate. So your salary start from a higher point. So that is very, very critical thing. Okay, I can still see here a lot of noise. Admin Renuka, can you just mute everyone? Okay. Post mute. Okay, let me continue. I think someone is maybe. Yeah, Renuka, just see if you can mute everyone. Yeah. Okay, so how does it work? Okay, Renuka, this is not working out because now television has started. Renuka, please mute everyone. Okay, so how does it work out? Okay, so first step is Java test, which you have taken interest test, and based on that only you are in this batch. Now, second step is you have given access to the LMS. If you have not got the access yet, you please ensure that you have got the access to the learning management system. In the learning management system, you will see 10 modules. Okay, in all those 10 modules, you have to means you will get 10 tests. Okay, 10 quizzes basically. Okay, you have to go through the quizzes on the regular basis. Okay, as soon you complete one module, you have to take the test. Okay, each module will be having some curated videos. Okay, they are not random videos, they are curated videos. Okay, which is exactly matching with the curriculum of the DFC technology. Okay, so what happens? Apart from the job vacancy, we also take the curriculum from the company, which is a recruitment partner. Okay, we also take the curriculum from that company. So you are exactly trained on the same technology, same curriculum, which you are expected to work in the company. Okay, so this is very important that you go through those videos, okay, which is into your LMS. And based on those LMS videos, you have to complete the test. Okay, test or quizzes that will be complete. Now, what is the next thing is based on your test quiz score, every week there's a merit list being created. Okay, those students who come to that merit list, okay, they will be going for the focus group discussion where live mentor will be coming daily 3 hours. Okay, and he will be teaching you. He will be basically mentoring you on your strength and weakness. Okay, what you already know, what you don't know, any doubt you want to clarify, you will be live in the interaction. Okay, so this is very important that you perform in the test and quizzes so that you can come for the live mentoring. You will not be participating in the live mentoring directly. Okay, you have to earn that after completing the LMS quizzes and completing the videos. So your performance is based on the two things. One is how much you are active on the LMS. Are you seeing all the videos? Are you completing all the quizzes? And what is your score on those quizzes and tests? Okay, based on that, once you come to the merit list, and then you come to the focus group discussions where live mentor will be taking you through the projects and all, and there you will be going through a lot of mock interviews also. Okay, and general questions being asked in the interviews. Okay, you will practice on that again and again. Okay, you will be completely prepared, and then based on the feedback. Erika, can you find out who is the person? Then at least ping him. Yeah, it is very noisy. Anyway, I'll try my best to continue. Okay, some admin issue here. Okay, so once you come, that means in this mock interviews and everything you have performed, then you will be placed on the weekly basis to the our recruitment partners. Okay. One second. Who is Vardhavaj Naik? Vardhavaj Naik 4109. Please mute. I'm reading this from the chat because I think Renuka, can you please do that? Okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, now I think I'm audible to everyone and I'm also relieved now. Okay, so these guys means based on your mock interview, you will be placed for the our recruitment partners interview like we did today actually for the first batch. Okay, so DXC Technology will be taking the interview and then immediately by the end of the day or by maximum by the next day, you will get selected and all the formalities, offer letter and everything will be provided to you. Okay, so this way we basically go through the very systematic process. It is continuous filtration and mentoring also. It is not just filtration. Okay, so wherever you are lacking, you will get the chance to interact with the mentor. So even before coming to the focus group, if you want to interact with the our mentor or teachers for some question answer, whatever videos you are going through, you can always book your appointment with the mentor, and mentor will be available at the fixed time, and he or she will be guiding you through the technology, your project, assignment, whatever your doubt is there. Okay, so this is a very involved process, but initially almost 90% effort is from your side, where you have to go through the videos in the LMS and come on the merit list. Okay, it is not simply like, okay, now you're in this program and I will be putting you to the DXC Technology. Okay, you have to upgrade yourself. For upgrading and upskilling, wherever you need, we will be there. Okay, so this is what is expected from you. Okay, so is it only for the DXC Technology? No. Okay, our prime recruiter, which we call it prime recruiter, which is who's kind of main sponsor of the batch. Okay, that is DXC Technology. But if you don't get selected in DXC Technology, you will be getting chances in other companies as well. Yeah, but of course the prime one will be given the preference. Okay, now many questions are coming on the fees side. What is the fees of this batch? Okay, so this is completely against the job placement only. If you get placed, then only there's a fees. If you don't get placed, okay, you're not get selected, there's no fees for you. Okay, so you will be getting the complete access of the LMS. Okay, and you perform. If you're not performing, you're not active, we will remove you from the batch. Okay, we will put you into the whoever is performing, we will put in the focus group. But if we found over there also that you're not performing, we will remove you from the batch. Only final stage candidate who gets selected from the recruiters, they only will be asked for the fees. Fees is 25,000 rupees plus. Okay, so that is the total fees, 25,000 including taxes. Sorry. Okay, so that is only for the selected candidates, not for the any other candidate who could not get selected. Okay, is there any other fees? No, there's no other fees, but there is a penalty if you refuse the offer letter. Okay, so suppose you got selected in the company and you will be already told about all the terms and condition of the selection and everything, your job location, your salaries, everything is already informed to you. And after completing the training and everything, you got selected, and then you are rejecting the offer letter. Then again, same 25,000 rupees is the penalty for you. Okay, so that is the total cost of 25,000 rupees is the total cost which you have to pay. Okay. There's no other fees. Now there are some question I'm learning Java. Can I take MCAP bootcamp? Yeah, means you are expected to have a basic knowledge of the Java before coming to this batch. Some basic programming language thing. Okay. Even if you completely doesn't know Java, you can come to the LMS and but you have to do a lot of effort. If you already know the Java, your progress will be faster. You will be quickly coming to the focus group, and from there you can move on to the DXC interview. See what happens. Suppose you already know all the 10 modules of the Java. Okay, so in 2 days, maximum in 2 days, starting from today, in maximum 2 days, you can complete all the 10 tests. Okay, by refreshing and everything. You can do it in 1 day also practically. Okay, so you complete that test. We will take your mock interviews, and if you find okay, this is a candidate who can be directly placed to the DXC Technologies or any other recruiters, we will immediately put you. So from today, means in 2 days you can get selected for the DXC. If you don't know the Java to that level, we will mentor you. Okay, but you have to put your effort, and while mentoring, you might get selected in next 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Okay, depending on your performance. We will give you total 4 to 5 weeks for the preparation. In exceptional cases where we understand okay, this candidate is putting his best effort, okay, we need to give him some little extra time. We can extend your time also. Okay, we are not very much particular about the timing, but we need to understand, means we need your complete assurance that okay, you are putting your best effort. Okay, if you're putting your best effort, we will be basically giving you more chances. Okay. Okay, now I'm actually coming to the some question answer. Okay, I can put it in the chat box. Okay, and I'll take one by one. Okay, so one question is, after 1 week we will have to pay 25,000 for our class. I mean, class is free only for 1 week. No, it is not like this. There is a, so this particular batch. Okay, I think you are referring to the website information. Okay, this particular information is not correct for this batch. Okay, in this batch you will be charged only if you get selected. Okay, 25,000 rupees you have to pay. Once we confirm you that you have got selected, now please pay your fees and collect your offer letter for DXC Technology. Okay, how can I join NCAP? Because okay, so you have to just take the test which is on the millionlights.university/MCAP. Okay, so you go over there. Nikhil, you can put up the yeah. So this is the now in the chat box there is a link where you can click and take the test. Once you take the test, you will get the LMS access. Okay, in the learning management system, you have to regularly take the test. Okay, I've seen many students who have joined the LMS. They are attending the sessions, also live session, but they are not taking the test. If you don't take the test, you will never come to the focus group, and you will never get selected for the DXC. And after 4 weeks, you will be removed from the batch. So your whole effort will waste. So please take the test. Okay. Venkatesh, to me, direct message, offer letter is true or fake, how do I believe you? Okay, okay, so there are candidates who are selected, you can talk to them, or if you don't, directly DXC Technologies people will be interviewing you, you can ask their ID. Okay, offer letter will be on the DXC letterhead signed by the DXC. Okay, so yeah, I understand there's so many mischiefs, yes, things have happened in this job market that people hardly trust on these such things. So that's why we have kept 0 fees for the Indian batch, because we need to gain the trust. In outside India, just to keep you informed, this is outside India, as of now today, 6 batches are running, and each batch fees per student is 1,25,000 rupees. Okay, so we take this fees upfront. Okay, because after completing that batch, they get selected for the entity data over there. Okay, so in UK, of course, we are a known name, so that's why we charge premium. Here we are new, so that's why we are not charging anything, so that you are not at any risk. Okay, because in India we have seen so many people coming with different schemes and everything, and then fake jobs offers and all. Okay. Here, I won't, just by saying that, okay, trust me, doesn't mean anything, because we are meeting first time, that too virtually. But yeah, there will be DXC Technology mail ID, okay, from which you will be getting the offer letter, and that will be digitally signed and everything. Okay, you can check it. Okay, I'm learning Python. Can I take MCAT bootcamp? See, you will be interviewed on the Java only. Okay, whether you're learning Python or any other technology. Okay, but for this batch, we have the openings only for the Java. So, as I mentioned earlier, against the vacancy only we train the candidates. Okay, it's not like everybody we are training and then going to the company. Okay, then company says, oh no, for this year I have recruited 100%, I don't have any other vacancy. So we have already taken the yearly vacancy. So with the DXC we have around 4,000 vacancies for this year. Okay, every month we are still going only with the 150. Okay, compared to 4,000, 150 is very less number right now. So we are going step by step, 150 people only we are training, so that you get a assured job placement with the DXC technology. They will never say we are 100% placed. Okay, eligibility percentage criteria. Okay, so eligibility percentage, as I mentioned in the starting, okay, you can have BE, BTech, MTech, or even other graduation also if you have a good programming knowledge. Okay, typically 60 means first division is asked for the eligibility criteria, but this is very important. Even the candidates who could not complete their degree in 4 years, okay, they have taken gap or something, they will also be considered just because they are coming to the Billionites University. So this is a separate arrangement we have. Okay, so but for this you have to be extraordinary performance in the Java. So even a second degree, second class student in the graduation, they have also got placed. Even today only, there was a student who was a second division in the graduation, but he also got placed just because he was very good in the Java. So your whole selection thing is totally depends on your performance in the Java. Okay. There's a question. I'm attending LMS video lecture and live lecture, but sir, daily task test link not open and not log into my account. So progress below, please sir, give me the help. Okay, for any query related to the LMS access, please talk to Nikhil. Nikhil will be putting his email ID and phone number over here. You can directly talk to him and get resolved. Okay. 1 year gap between 10 to UG, that is fine. Okay, I'm talking about in BTech itself, instead of 4 years, you have taken 5 years. Okay, the 12th and 10th gap, that is okay. Okay. Okay, another question is, if we get selected, then we will be interviewed online or web, we physically. Okay, so we will have to visit. Okay, so as of now, DXC is not operating till 31st of December. They have already 30th of December, they have already declared that they are working offline. Sorry, they are working online. Okay, so no physical interview will be happening till December end. Post that, we will see that whether they call you or what. But I think if you join today, much before December itself, that December 30th, much before that, your interview will be conducted. So it will be online for you. Okay. Nikhil has already put his email ID and his mobile number. Please get in touch with him. Okay. If we are not selected for DXC, can we drop after 1 week and it is not payable? I told you it is not payable till the point you are not placed with the company. Okay, whether DXC or any other recruitment partner, which is suggested by us. Okay, if we place you with any other technology partner, okay, sorry, recruitment partner, I will inform you in advance before putting you to the interview. Okay, that this is the offer. Are you interested? Okay, and after sitting, knowing all the terms and conditions and sitting in the interview, then you reject, then only you have to pay. Otherwise, you don't have to pay. You can upfront tell, I'm not interested in this company. There's no need to pay anything. Okay. And not after 1 week. You can complete your 4 weeks also on the LMS, by the way. Okay. You complete your 4 weeks. See, when do we remove you from the batch? When we see there's no activity by you, you're not taking test, you are not watching videos, then we give you warning and remove you. Okay. Sometimes we don't give you warning also because it's a very crowded place. Okay, we have to select very few candidates and focus on them only. So we select those candidates and we work with them thoroughly so that they get placed. Okay, if you are not interested, we will not be keep on following you. Okay, do this. We will be just working with the candidates who are much interested. Okay, I want to join backend Java developer. Yeah, of course, this is for the backend Java developer. Sir, is this the paid job? I think you joined very late. DXC Technology is it offering you the salary of 3.6 to 4 lakh rupees per annum. Okay, depending on your performance, criteria, which year you passed out and everything. So 3.6 to 4 lakhs you will be getting. Okay. There are other ways also, which suppose you got some 2018 pass out, you got very good experience, your current salary, it can cross 4 lakhs also. Okay. Okay, so I have already told you that what is the minimum package. Okay. I want. Okay, any other new question I'm not able to see?
Meeting on the class.
Okay, another question is, sir, I joined this week in group of bootcamp, but I'm in BTech. Then how I get my missed lecture because I'm from non-IT background? I'm in the batch 1. Then how I get my missed lectures? Okay, these things, operational things, you can talk to Nikhil. Okay, on the LMS, all the lectures are there. You can always go to the LMS and check it out over there. Okay. Sir, I completed graduation in 2021. Okay, I have not applied for PC marks memo after getting placement when the mark sheet are required. Okay, so these things are totally between you and DXC HR. If you have performed well in the interview, okay, these kind of relaxation you will get. Okay, you will be asked to submit some kind of letter from the school, college, and all those things, and you will be considered for this. It's completely depending on your performance. Okay. Which location the DXC Technology is offering for the Java developer? Okay, first of all, you go and search for the DXC Technology. It is bigger company than the Infosys. Okay, because of the name change, many people doesn't know about DXC Technology. This is much bigger company than the Infosys. Okay, so that is for your reference. Okay, DXC Technology location is Chennai, Hyderabad, Noida. Okay, they are the major development center. Okay, they have, I think, one development center in Bangalore also. Okay, when the batch start? Okay, very good question. When the batch start? Batch is in the rolling. Okay, rolling means you have to come to the LMS. You can start LMS from any day. Okay, you start taking the test. Once you start taking the test, we will select you based on your test performance. Okay, till that point, when you are taking the joining the LMS and you are doing the test, it is self learning basically. Okay, you are going through the videos, content, and everything. They are curated content. They're not like random content. They're curated content which is as per the DXC Technologies curriculum. And once you perform in the test, okay, then only you will be selected for the focus group where live mentoring will be happening for you. Okay, this you can do it immediately, as I told you, in 2 days also, in 2 weeks also. Okay, or maximum 4 weeks. Okay. Okay, can you please say one more time for fees? Okay, okay, there's no fees. Okay, I'll keep on telling in every webinar. Okay, you are not my product. You are not my client. Okay, my client is company. Okay, so I am not interested in charging fees to you actually. Okay, why we are charging the fees? Because in India, what we have realized very hard way, that if I don't charge you fees, you are not regular in the batch. Okay, you don't understand the value, you start doubting the company itself. Okay, like one question has already come, how do I believe that it is a fake or real offer? Okay, so we do charge the fees only for that. Okay, anyway, so we charge the fees only to those candidates who get selected. Okay, so before giving them the offer letter, okay, they have to clear their dues from us, and then only they can select, accept the offer letter from the DXC Technologies. Okay, so you will be paying 25,000 rupees after your interview, and we have got the confirmation. Okay, have been selected. Okay, then only you will be paying the fees, and you will be getting you will be getting the final placement acceptance letter actually. Okay, what is the LMS and that process? So learning management system, so you will be getting a login ID. So which like on your mail, you must have got it by now. And if you're not got it, please contact Nikhil. Okay, you will be getting a LM login ID to our learning management system, which is an online portal where there are 10 modules. Okay, each module has their content. Okay, means as per the interview modules basically, starting from core Java to advanced Java. Okay, you have to go through the videos, okay, and then take the test. If you already know the technology, directly take the test, but make sure the more number of attempts you are making the test, your average score is coming down. Okay, so please, when you are well prepared for the test, then only you Renuka, yeah. So once you well prepared for the test, then only you attempt it. Okay, otherwise your average score will come down and you will come down in the merit list. Okay, once you have gone through the video, you have taken the test, I got your score, I will select the merit list, and as per the merit list, you will be called for the this focus group, which is a live entry. Sir, my 10th marks is below 60% and my pass out year is 2019. Can I got this job? Of course. See, we fortunately DXC technology is not very hard and fast on your 10th, 12th marks, the number of year completion. They are actually looking a very motivated candidate, good communication skill, having fair knowledge of Java, okay, and ready to learn. Okay, so that way you are absolutely qualified for this job. Okay, anyway, don't worry about this because if you means for any reason, okay, you don't get the offer letter, you don't have to pay for it. Okay, so if you don't get the offer letter, you don't have to pay. And before means once we are putting you for the interview, we are sharing your complete CV with the company. We are sharing the complete terms and condition with you of the jobs. Okay, so you know that whether you're going to accept the offer or not, then only you're going for the interview. Okay, Aniket is asking, sorry sir, I'm late to join, so can I give you short information? Aniket, I respect others' time also, so what I suggest, you call Nikhil separately and get the complete information. Yeah, okay, I'll just go ahead with the other question. Total job vacancy, so we have, although we have a 4,000 yearly vacancies, but we are going with only 150 vacancies per day. Oh, sorry, per month. Hello. Okay, 150 vacancies per month we are working right now. Okay, any other queries? DXC package I already told, 4 lakhs, 3.6 lakh to 4 lakh. Okay, that I have already told you. Okay, so I think these are the most of the question which has been already answered. Okay, in conclusion and in summary, let me quickly revise what we have discussed today. Okay, so first thing we discuss is how this work out. You have to join the LMS, learning management system. You will get that mail. You have to start attempting the questions, quizzes and tests on that. For that, you have to complete the video lectures and all the assignments over there. And based on your performance, okay, you will be call for the focus group discussion, where our mentor 3 hours will be working with you. They will be taking mock interviews with you. They will be giving you the very focus assignment question, and so that you get completely prepared for the interview. Once you are prepared for the interview, we will be putting you for the placement with the DXC Technologies team. And once they know about your, once they select you, they will inform us and we ask you to clear the dues. The total dues is 25,000 rupees. Okay, if you get selected, no fees will be charged if you are not selected. Okay, and if after knowing all the terms and condition, also if you have refused to join after getting selection, then also you have to pay 25,000 rupees. Okay, so that is the total fees. There's no other fees will be charged to you. Okay, job location and everything will be shared with you in advance. Okay, how to log in LMS. So you will get the learning management system mail on your mailbox, registered mail ID, or you can directly contact to Nikhil also. Okay, he is coordinator for your batch. Okay. If we selected, can we pay one shot payment or EMI? No, there's no EMI. Once you clear all your dues, 25,000 rupees only. Okay, then only you have to you will be getting the offer letter. Okay, now see, based on your exceptional performance and your financial background and everything, we do consider the scholarships. Okay, we waive off the fees basically in that case, but that is strictly on your academic performance, your past record, your overall batch performance, and your performance in the interview as well. Okay, so and that exceptional cases, this fees, as I told you, you are not my product, you are my product, not my client. Okay, so I'm not interested in your money. Okay, I want you to the best product of the company, which I can put in front of my recruitment partners. Okay, so we are more interested on your quality rather than means charging you for any money basically. Okay, are you provide any recorded? Yeah, in the learning management system there are recorded videos. Okay, one important question, sir. I applied for DXC in last month, but I am unable to write online test. Is there any chance to me to apply? If you have applied in last 6 months in the DXC, then you are not eligible if you are not already selected. Okay, so if you have been rejected on the interview round, you will not get the chance. But if you have not been rejected in interview or examination and you just applied and you have not got any call from them, then definitely you can come with us. Okay, we will put you in the in front of the DXC. If you're rejected at any stage, online test or interview, then you are not eligible. Okay. This Satish, I didn't get your question, sir. I already complete exam in which you are sending. I didn't get your question. So if it is clear, or you can contact to Nikhil. Okay. Okay, guys. So it is means we have scheduled for only up to 6:15. Still, there are 5 minutes. So if you have any other questions, we will continue. Otherwise, we will turn it over here. Okay. Where we see the videos, on the LMS. Okay. Okay, so it's not only recorded videos we are providing. Okay, see, recorded videos are basically for your convenience, so that if you're working or you have class, you can go one by one all the selected curated videos. You don't have to search in the YouTube and Google. Okay, and you can go as per the curriculum. So that's why in the separate LMS we have arranged the videos which will help you in preparation. Okay, and the videos have been selected based on the curriculum of the DXC. Now this is only for your convenience sake. Okay, but just by seeing video again and again, you will not become the expert. Okay, you will need the mentor guidance. So you can always book your appointment with the mentor, and after all this support, you have to clear the module test quizzes so that you can come for the daily focus group mentoring. Okay, there you will be polished and prepared for the interview. Okay. If we selected in between the training for other company, then how much to be paid? Okay, this payment part is creating a lot of confusion. Please listen to me carefully. You don't need to pay anything if you are not placed or not selected by our recruitment partners. Okay, so DXC Technology, and there are 3-4 more. Okay, if you are not selected by those companies and you got placed during this training to some other company or anything, you will not be charged. Okay, so you come prepare, and even if you are going with some other company, all the best. Okay, no problem. See why we are so confident about this, because we are giving you the package which might not be easy for everyone at this preparation. Okay, so DXC Technology is giving you some packages 3.6 lakhs to 4 lakhs, which not all the companies will be giving you outside. Okay, so that's why, means if you get better package, please go ahead. Okay, we are always willing to we are always wishing you all the best for that. Okay, Sir, I'm not a pass out student. I'm still studying at GMIT. B is complete at 2022. Can I apply for this job? You need to be in the final year in this case. Okay, so final year students will get the offer letter as per their passing months. Okay, so that is possible. Okay, I'm not sure because from your message it is not clear. Completing in 2022 means when, which month? Okay, you have to be in the final year as of now when you're sitting in the interview. Okay, so is this clear? I think Sumant has asked that if you're selected in any other batch, yeah, you can go ahead with that. I have written the eligibility test, but I didn't get any response. Now I am eligible to take or not. Written test of DXC if you're preferring, okay, and you haven't got any response, then you are eligible for this course. Okay. I did MCA in 2019. Can I join? Yeah, MCA is qualified for this. Okay. So for DXC, if you have got the rejection letter at any stage, then only you are not qualified. Otherwise, you are qualified. Yeah. Okay, great. Any other query? Complete at 2022 June, sir. Can I apply for this? 2022 June. So you are in 7th semester, correct? Yeah, you can apply. 7th semester student can apply. Okay. Final year student. Basically, you have to be final year. Okay, now Subbu has waken up and he's saying, how can I apply this job? Okay, Subbu. Okay, Nikhil, can you just put the link again? You go and take this test. Okay, I think most of you have already taken the test, Java entrance examination for MCAP. Okay, you take the test. Based on your test score, you will be entered into this job. Okay, in this process of the job training. Okay, just make sure that you get the mail ID for your access for the LMS. Okay, you have already taken the test. Then yeah, you can just start with accessing your LMS and take the quizzes on the daily basis. So a student who have already taken the MCAP Java entrance examination, okay, they need to make sure that they are active on the LMS, Learning Management System. Okay. So Nikhil, can you put the link of the Learning Management System over here? Okay. Then go over there, take the test. As soon as you start taking the quizzes and module test, we start calling you for the focus group. Sir, in this website, they clearly mentioned 70% is yeah, I understand this on the website we are doing the correction. Okay, because we have got the correction from the DXC technology. So here in this webinar, I'm giving the updated information. On the website, it will be changed, I think, max by tomorrow morning. Okay, so don't worry about that. Whatever we are committing over here in this webinar, that is the final one. Okay, you will be getting even for the second division student also, DXC is accepting the candidates if and only if they are good in Java. Okay, mechanical student not mentioned. No, any degree of the engineering is eligible. Maritime or merchant, whatever, means any B degree is eligible. Nikhil, can you send the LMS link? It's not LMC Subbu, it is LMS. Yeah, LMS link, correct. Okay, and you can whoever doesn't have the LMS link can always connect back to the Nikhil or can write to the support at millionlights.in, support at millionlights.university. Can you, Nikhil, can you write the email ID of support so that you can always get the support over there? Okay, so guys, now time is already over. So very quickly, I just want to make sure, please ensure on your own responsibility that you are taking the LMS test so that I can be assure you that you are getting selected for the next round of interviews. Okay, so please make sure that you got the LMS link and you are actively taking the test on the LMS. Otherwise, I won't be able to help you. We cannot go and just keep on following up with everyone that please take the test for the next round. Okay, you have to be proactive in that part. which link should I use for the job apply? There's no job apply here. Okay, you have already taken the MCAP entrance examination, and then after that you will get the LMS link where you have to perform in all the 10 modules, and then we will select you based on your merit score to the next round. Okay, so there's nothing like a link to apply for the job. Okay. Okay, great. Let's discontinue here. Any other query, I'll get back to you in the next webinar. Okay, or you can always reach us to on the support@millionlight.university, or you can talk to our coordinator Nikhil. Yeah, thank you so much. In the last, Nikhil, can you just quickly put again your email ID and mobile number? Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
आपका क्लास है ना? हाँ? तो आपसे बोले थे ना?